Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking a microphone and granting permissions so audio can be captured. Plug in or pair your mic, then open System Privacy Settings and allow your screen recorder to access the microphone. Once done, check input sample rate and bit depth in sound settings, 44. 1 or 48 kHz and 16-bit work for most recordings. Make sure input levels peak around -6 to -12 dB because too hot clips and too low increases noise. Now move to app settings and source selection. Next, configure the recording app so it captures your mic correctly. In the app's audio inputs, choose the mic you prepared. If you need system sound too, enable system audio or use an aggregate device to mix them. Make sure sample rate and buffer match the OS to avoid drift or glitches. Once set, use separate tracks if you plan to edit voice independently. Do a quick 10-15 second test recording, listen back, and adjust gain and positioning until the voice sounds clear. When you're ready, put on headphones to stop speaker bleed and start the full recording. Monitor levels in real time, keep peaks under clipping and aim for consistent volume. After recording, listen through the recording software and normalize or trim silence as needed. If you use separate tracks, export with the mic track isolated for cleaner edits. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and input selection, then reboot the app, reassign the mic, and record another short test to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.